Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We have another amazing video on the AI tool. In this video, we will be showing you 5 AI Google Chrome extensions that will help you become a superhuman. These extensions can help you automate your tasks, save time, and increase your productivity. These tools will help you to improve your content writing, copywriting, ad writing, Q&A questions, and also you can generate your messages reply. Moreover, you can summarize YouTube videos and can write content without the concern of plagiarism, and it can also be used in daily life conversation. And the most amazing thing is that you can use and utilize this extension without any cost. It's totally free. But before continuing the video, this is a humble request. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. On the number 1 is AI PRM. In this video clip, I'm just sharing this amazing ChatGPT extension. You can search for it by typing AI PRM extension. For this page, you can install it. So it gives you templates that can be useful to do different things with ChatGPT. You can also add your own templates here. This most impressive fact is that you can share this throughout the community so that everybody has access to your cool prompts for content writing. These are all things you can do in ChatGPT. So I highly recommend this powerful tool for those persons who is using ChatGPT. On the number 2 is ChatGPT Google extension. Now let's discuss about our second amazing extension, that is ChatGPT for Google. Well, I'm sure you must hear about it, and you can install it from Google Extension Store. It will also provide you the summarized content, so it is perfect solution to a lot of misinformation going on. So I must suggest this tool to get a summary related to your queries, and you can easily get. Only number 3 is summarized. If you want to get all your information in one clip, then this tool is just for you. When you go to any website and you see lengthy content, and well, nobody would like to waste his time reading or pinpointing the main and valuable information. So the solution is summarized extension, which provides you with the whole information in small cluster. Now the whole information will come in form of summary. On the number 4 is ChatGPT Writer. No matter where you are online, open any specific website, within a short time you can handle a lot of things. You can respond to Gmail or Facebook messages to allow you quickly access of OpenAI ChatGPT on the web. It's really easy to utilize the tool extension, and you can also increase your mail confirmations with the help of ChatGPT Writer extension. And this extension is the best for email writing and to generate the messages response. On the number 5 is Big Sam ChatGPT Conversational Sidebar. This tool is very simple and also easy to use to compare as other extensions. There is no doubt it's really work. You will provide some useful prompts like summarize, simplify, bullet, question, explain, and much more. This tool will explain everything in detail, whatever you want to ask. So it would never be wrong to say that many problems and a solution. So these are the best tools that will boost your mind and make you superhuman. These can make your work easy and save you a lot of time. If you like this video, subscribe my channel.